everyone and welcome back to R&M LAB GH. Today's video is going to be a bit different from our usual content. This is a new format I'm introducing to the channel, a dedicated series for various electronic repairs. Today I have to fix an electric kettle and I thought I'd turn it into a repair tutorial. I believe this can be useful for everyone. First, we'll start by troubleshooting using a multimeter. Specifically, we'll check for continuity on the kettle's base. We'll test the power cord between the plug and the base unit. The yellow and green wire in the center is the ground, while the other two are the neutral and the live wires. Whenever you perform repairs on the power grid, always remember to unplug the device first. As you can see, we've already found a fault. The connector on the base has snapped. Now we're going to restore it by reusing the original connector. We'll strip the wire, solder it, and then cover it with heat shrink tubing. This is an excellent insulator and very safe even at high temperatures. Electrical tape is not suitable for this kind of professional work. Now that we've repaired the broken wire and insulated it properly, we'll clean the base and reassemble everything. We need to verify that there is now continuity between the plug and the docking connector. Theoretically, that was the only issue, and as you've seen, we identified the damage with a simple multimeter. Now, for safety, we're going to check the body of the kettle to ensure everything is in order and there are no other hidden issues. When doing repairs, it's vital to verify that everything is in perfect condition. First, to ensure a correct and guaranteed job, and second, because we are working with 230 volt mains voltage. It is essential that everything is correctly insulated for your safety and for the final customer. Now let's check the most fundamental part, the heart of the kettle, which is what actually allows the water to heat up and boil. This is the power heating element. It's easily checked with a multimeter. If there is resistance and continuity between the two terminals, it means it's perfectly functional, as you can see on the display. Now that we've confirmed the heating element is in perfect condition, we'll do a general check on all the internal wiring and insulation. As you'll notice, the insulation on these two connectors has degraded due to the heat generated by the element. We're going to apply 2 pieces of heat shrink tubing to make the job perfect and safe. A quick general clean, we reassemble everything, and then we'll test if our work has achieved the desired result. Now we plug it into the power outlet and turn on the kettle. As you can see, the red light comes on, which means the kettle is active. Let's put some water inside and verify the actual performance. Good, as you can see, the water is heating up and starting to boil. The repair was successful, the job was carried out with precision and in total safety. I hope you enjoyed this video and above all, found it useful. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. Please leave a like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.